the correct way to pronounce that island Milos or Milos?
Milos.
Milos. Okay. Milos. I guess I should learn the name now. So I have a new home for a while. Pollonia student. Alright, I'm coming. Oh my goodness, look how lovely. So I have a new home for a while. Pollonia Studios. Anyway, it's nice. And I have my own balcony. Alright, because I'm here for a while, I'm actually gonna unpack and make myself here. Let's do this. Let's venture out and find out what Milos has to offer. So this is where I'm living for the next couple days. Listen, this is as much a surprise to me as it is you. I planned really good vacations. I didn't know anything about this except I studied. Yeah, I planned this like 6 months ago, and I've been so busy paying for the trip, I kind of forgot what the trip was. So yeah, this is a pleasant surprise. So this is not a green island, but Milos has secrets and surprises all wrapped up in this orange canyon looking island. You want some adventure? Whoa! You know, anytime I'm involved in catastrophe, I never film it because I'm in the middle of catastrophe. But down on the volcanic rock, my flip-flops broke, right? Now, one would say, why did he have flip-flops on? But I didn't intend to go down there. So, for the past 30 minutes, with bare feet, whoa. So the season's kind of ended here and things are shut down, and I was having a little stress about the things I couldn't do. Anyway, I decided I'm gonna do nothing. And now tomorrow, I'm paying for a boat tour that will just take me places. So right now I'm gonna do nothing. Get ready because we knew this day was gonna come. You ready? I'm speechless. I'm glad this is down. It's really windy here, and sometimes I don't have control of it. That's a horrible feeling. You're not supposed to be watching sunrise while stressing out about $3,200 crashing in the water. It's not supposed to happen. So, no wind, no fly. Wind, no fly. No fly. Hey, come out to my balcony. Look what's going on here. Whoa, what? Good morning. You know, on the island of Skopelos, they brought me a car. On the island of Skiathos, I had the best meal of my life. When I arrived here on Milos, here in the little fishing town of Pollonia, it feels like season has ended. Some of the restaurants are closed, some of the stores are closed, but they also don't have cars for me to rent. So I have to admit, I ran around for the first couple hours the first day, a little upset about what I couldn't do. And then I realized, instead of making it what it isn't, to enjoy what it is. I got a question. How old am I? And I set out on foot, and I learned what's in my neighborhood. I feel like I owe Milos an apology. My first impression. At first, I was a little taken back of what I thought it was going to be. Then I realized, like, this is what it is. And that's pretty darn good.